Background music playing softly. Narrator, are you tired of feeling trapped in a toxic relationship? Do you constantly find yourself walking on eggshells, unsure of what might set off your partner? If so, it's time to address the destructive dynamic in your relationship. Today, we want to provide you with insights and guidance to help you navigate the difficult terrain of a toxic relationship. Soft, inspirational music starts. Narrator, in a toxic relationship, the toxicity lingers like a dark cloud, suffocating your happiness and leaving you feeling isolated. It can be challenging to recognize the signs when you are deeply involved, but awareness is the first step towards reclaiming your life. Gradually increase the volume of the background music. Narrator, one of the clearest indicators of a toxic relationship is a lack of trust and respect. In toxic dynamics, partners often belittle, devalue, or control one another. It leaves scars that run deep, damaging self-esteem and making it difficult to believe in true love. Pause in the music. Narrator, communication is also greatly impacted in toxic relationships. Honest and open conversations become rare, replaced by passive-aggressive behavior, stonewalling, or explosive arguments. Every interaction feels like a battlefield, leaving you emotionally drained. Resuming background music. Narrator, it's vital to remember that toxic dynamics are not just mentally and emotionally draining, but they can also be physically harmful. Abuse, whether physical or psychological, should never be tolerated. You deserve better. Pause in the music. Narrator, breaking free from a toxic relationship may seem daunting, but remember that you are not alone. Reach out to friends, family, or even professionals who can provide guidance and support. Surround yourself with positivity and seek counseling to heal emotional wounds. Resuming background music. Narrator, recognize that your well-being is of utmost importance. It's time to put yourself first and prioritize your happiness. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It is an essential component of breaking free from toxicity. Gradually fade out background music. Narrator, today we've shed light on the dark cloud that is a toxic relationship. It's time to reclaim your life, find your strength, and move towards healthier connections. You deserve a relationship that nurtures your soul and brings you joy. Silence. Narrator, break free from toxic patterns, for a brighter tomorrow awaits. Use end of copy.